Hello, welcome to Teaching Tuesdays TRMS Baking, and today we are making lava cakes. First, we have to preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius, which we already have. And now we have to cut off each muffin's top to create a flat surface and then discard, and then cut another 1 centimeter thick slice to use as a lid. Thirdly, we're going to use a teaspoon to hollow out the center and then fill it with chocolate spread. Now we're going to fill the muffins with the Nutella. We're going to put the lava cakes inside the oven to cook for 7
And that's how you cook
lava
cake.